Hi, engineers, welcome. So today I'll be showing you how to connect your Jenkins server to the agent servers. So I'll be showing you how to connect your Jenkins servers to the agent servers. So this is going to make your life easy. Okay, so first you need to know there are always issues while trying to connect your slave agents or your node agents to the Jenkins server. You always have agent offline and a lot of problems always happening. So the purpose of this video is to help you and show you how to connect your agent server to your Jenkins server. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe so we can post more troubleshooting issues like this, so it can make your life easier and you can deploy with relative ease. Okay, so first you need an AWS account and you need to set up a slave server or a node server. And the next thing you need to take note into consideration is that you need to set up your Jenkins server as well. So I assume that while watching this video, you have already set up your Jenkins server and you have set up your node server as well. Okay, now this is my AWS account. I just set up an agent. As you can see, name agent one. It's an Amazon Linux. It's an Amazon Linux. And I choose a key for my server. This VPC was from default by the system, and everything is here was from default by the system. So if you want to watch another video on how to set up an EC2 instance, an Amazon Linux machine, Ubuntu, Red Hat, then we'll have a video for that. So this video is how to connect your slave agent to your Jenkins server. So I'm copying my public IP now, and I already have my public IP connected, but then let me just connect it back for the purpose of these studies. So EC2, EC2 user. So the key I use in setting up this server is Ubuntu. Ubuntu, open. So we are connected, right, to our Amazon Linux. So we have nothing here, ls. We have nothing. PWT, our present working directory. So we have nothing. This is a new server we have set up. And if we do Java dash version, command not found. Okay. So now let's move to Jenkins. So this is an agent that I was trying to set up. So let me start back in new node. What's the name? Agent one. Permanent agent. Create. Description. Agent will build Java-based projects. Then we build Java-based projects. So make sure your description can be any stuff. Number of executors, I'll choose 2. But then if you want to know the meaning of this executor, you can click here. The maximum number of concurrent builds that Jenkins may perform on this node. A good value to start will be the number of CPU cores on the machine. So you can read more if you need to know more about that. Remote root directory. Take note of this. If it's wrong, it's not going to work. So now on my root directory, I'm going to be using, I'm checking my present working directory, my node. This is my node. Remember, this is our node. This is our node. This is our node. So I'm going to put this /home/ec2 user labels agent Java. Then on usage, if you want to know more about label, you can click here as well. Labels or tags are used to group multiple agents into one logical group. So you can read more on this. And if I go down to usage, you're going to see the meaning of usage. Control how Jenkins schedule builds on this node. So on usage, you can choose only build jobs with label exception matching the node, but use this node as much as possible. That's what we're going to choose for the purpose of the studies. So launch method. This launch agent via SSH. This launch agent by connecting it to the controller to make your life easy and to avoid necessary process. We're going to work with launch agent by connecting it to the controller. So the next thing we're going to do is allow the custom work directory path, internal data directories remoting, and either WebSocket mode is selected or TCP port for inbound agent must be enabled. So we'll choose this. Remember, if you want to know more, you can click on help, right? These are helps. So availability. We can bring agent online according to a schedule when we have formed or built a schedule. Bring agent online when in demand and take offline when idle. So we are going to keep this agent online as much as possible. Now we save. Okay, now we have saved. You notice agent is offline, right? So you click on the agent. So before connecting, there are little stuff I'll have to show you. Always make sure your public IP is same like the one on your browser. So your Jenkins might be reading from an older public IP when you shut down your instance. So always make sure they are same. If not, this command will not execute. You run this command and you will not get a response. So always make sure this public IP and this IP are correct. It's very important to take note of it. So before we come back to you, I want to show you a little stuff. Manage Jenkins. On Manage Jenkins, I'm looking for security. On security, now, under security, you see agents. So if this pod was disabled, would this work? The answer is no. So allow the fixed pod, and this pod might be 8080, same as well might be 50,000. So if it's 50,000, you need to allow port 50,000 open on your Jenkins, on your agent as well. But for the purpose of this video, I'm using 8080. So it was already saved, right? So I don't need to save again. Okay, and this one more thing I should show you. This one more thing I should show you here. Okay, now Jenkins URL. So in case while launching the agent, you notice on where I showed you it, if the public IP was different, this is where you add it. This is where you add your public IP here. So at times you might come and you meet your old public IP. Let's say it was like that. That would be, let's say that was your old public IP. What you simply do is change it 175. So if now you check here, it's same, right? It's same. So when you do that, you save. I'm not saving because my own is already saved. Let's go back to our notes. So when you save that, you come and notice that it has changed here and you have the same here. Okay. So now first we'll copy this command. Remember our agent is offline status, offline. We'll copy this first command. Before copying this command, make sure you have Java installed in your Jenkins and Java installed in your agent. So do we have Java installed here? No. So let's install Java sudo yum install Java. So I'm installing Java. I'm installing Java. So if Java is not installed, this is not going to run, right? Okay. Now, if you execute Java dash version, now, do we have Java installed? Yes, we have Java installed. Okay. So now let's execute this first command. Copy. Remember, this is our slave agent, right? Now we got a response immediately. If you run this command and it's freezing, like it's taking time to respond, make sure you check your public IP. This is my Jenkins public IP and port number, right? So make sure you check, make sure you are taking note to make sure this and this match. This and this match. So now we'll run this. We'll run this. Now, what are we getting? Connected. Connected. Now let's go and check to see if this agent has been connected. Note. To get offline, let's see. Okay, now is our agent connected? The answer is yes. So our agent is connected successfully. So if you notice within a point in time your agent might have gone offline, it's same. You will just execute back the last command. We did this last command. You'll be able to see the last command, java-agent and all that. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you have some questions and you have another video you want me to do, please don't hesitate to message in the comments below. Then we are going to do more videos on this. So don't hesitate to let me know if you want me to do more videos, and I'm going to do more videos on this. Okay, thanks for watching, and please share this video. Okay, see you in my next video.